Hi guys, let's talk about India's best full stack development course. But before going ahead, let's first understand what full stack development really is. Full stack development means building both the front end and the back end of a website or web application. The front end is what users see and interact with: designs, buttons, forms, layouts. The back end is the server side: databases, APIs, authentications, and application logic. A full stack developer works on the complete web development cycle, from designing user interfaces to handling servers and databases. Full stack development basic includes working with front ends technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to design and structure the user's interfaces of a website. Along with this, developers use front-end frameworks or libraries such as React, Angular, or Vue to build dynamic and interactive web applications. On the back-end side, technologies like Node, Python, Java, or PHP are used to manage servers, handles business logic, and process users' requests. Full-stack development also involves working with databases such as MySQL to store and manage data efficiently. Additionally, knowledge of version control systems like Git and GitHub is essential for managing code and collaborating with teams. Finally, understanding APIs and deployment is important to connect the front end with the back end to make web application live and accessible to users. So basically, a full stack developer can build a complete website or web app from scratch. Now let me assure you that the demand for full stack developers is really high. Companies today prefer professionals who understand both front end and back end because it saves cost, improves efficiency, and increases productivity. And yes, this demand is not just in India but in the global market as well. If you are serious about learning full stack development, I have already mentioned the best full stack development course link in the description box. You can check it out and enroll from there. I hope you found this video valuable. Do like, comment, and share. And if you have any doubts, drop them in the comments. I will surely clear them.